Hello everyone, my name is Father William Anthony and I am in charge of vocations and altar servers in the Diocese of Pune. I am here with a message for all the altar servers. All the priests will agree with me that we are missing the altar servers. Due to pandemic, there are no masses and therefore there are no activities, no altar servers meeting. We miss the vibe, the energy, the enthusiasm, the cheerfulness and prayerfulness of all the altar servers. The Don Bosco's Catechetical Center has come up with an altar servers manual, and this short book is an apt book for all the altar servers. This is a great manual for all the coordinators, animators and priests involved in training the altar servers. Well, what is this book about? Firstly, it gives the vision for the altar servers. It also clearly states the mission for the altar servers. There's a prayer for the altar servers, and this prayer the altar server can recite at any time of the day, whenever he's sad, whenever he's happy, whenever he's low. There are also prayers mentioned for the altar servers before the Mass and after the Mass. There are beautiful insights for all the people who are involved in this ministry, for the coordinators, for the animators, for the spiritual directors and priests who take care of the altar servers. This short book covers fine details about the altar servers. What are the right postures? What are the right gestures at the Mass? This book also explains the parts of the Mass. It gives a brief explanation about the liturgy. It tells us who are the celebrants at the Mass. It also tells us who are the people who can assist at the altar. It gives beautiful explanation about the church. What is the sanctuary? What is the tabernacle? What is the lectern? And it gives beautiful explanation about the sacred vestments, the sacred linens, the sacred vessels, the sacred books used for the Mass. This is a beautiful book for all the altar servers. I request all the priests, all the animators, all the coordinators and all the people, lay faithful who are involved in training the altar servers, kindly use this manual so that you all can train the altar servers and build their faith in a very strong way. Every month, a lesson, a session will be uploaded for the altar servers. I request all the priests, all the coordinators, all the animators, brothers involved in this ministry, kindly make use of these sessions and lessons and see that you will conduct these lessons and sessions with the altar servers. I know this is a difficult time, but we are connected through WhatsApp groups. We can have Zoom meetings and we can keep in touch with our altar servers, motivate them, help them to grow in their faith, show them that they are loved, show them that they are cared, and this is the best way for all of us to be connected and grow in our faith. Also, Don Bosco's Catechetical Center will be uploading online activities like Bible quiz, games, and I request all of you all to participate actively in these programs and activities. This is how we remain connected. This is how we can show that we are together, praying together, and also growing in our faith. I request everyone to participate actively in all these programs. God bless you all and continue praying for all of us. Thank you.